The person who exercises to gain muscle should consume protein within 30 minutes of exercise. To gain muscle, one has to exercise. In fact, to gain a lot of muscle, one has to exercise regularly, and most often it is recommended that they do what is called weight training or resistance training. 30 minutes to 45 minutes is enough, but what is more important is that the person who exercises to gain muscle should consume protein within 30 minutes of exercise. And the reason for that is the muscles are hungry to rebuild themselves, and the most efficient time to do that is to feed the body protein within the first hour. However, if that source of protein includes fat and perhaps carbohydrates, the whole body gets bigger. So if someone is interested in just gaining muscle, then they should limit their intake to 30 grams of protein, like a protein shake, which also would be the same as 4 to 6 ounces of a lean source of protein such as chicken. When it comes to building muscle, we would recommend safe, regular resistance training. That means 30 to 45 minutes of weight training or working with the machines, perhaps with a personal trainer, at least 3 times a week.